Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick explanation so that you will be able to set up your proxy in Decodo. Using proxies is essential for secure browsing, account management, and geo-testing. And yeah, make sure that you have your proxy list ready. So what you will have to do first is open your Decodo and launch Decodo if you already have it. And once you launch it, you will just have to log into your account and then access proxy settings by going to your settings. So it really depends on the layout of your software. So it should be somewhere right here. But yeah, anyway, what you will have to do is just click settings and look for proxies and then just click that. And then you will add a proxy and then enter the details such as your proxy IP, port, username, or password if needed. And then assign proxy to profiles by selecting the target profile and apply the proxy. And of course, save the settings. And to test the proxy, you will just have to open your Decodo session and verify the IP has changed and ensure that the connection is stable. And yeah, that's how you can set up your proxies in Decodo. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.